I got 1, 2, 3 hoes. Make a meal in a day, tomorrow I make more. I got 4, 5, 6, yeah. Counting so much money, you can call me cashier. I got 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another 10% FX video. I'm Ollie.
I'm Jamie.
So in this video, we're going to do what your guys' favourite thing is, seems to be. We're going to go over a week, just sending trades out, doing our thing, so you guys can see what it's like. None of the exciting stuff, just down, getting to the work, sending these trades out. You can see all the results, see before and after, not just showing the clips of after, showing it before, everything like that. But first we want to apologise for being away. We've had a lot of personal issues and stuff going on, haven't we? But the plan is now to have at least 1 to 2 videos a week. Obviously we'll probably have some weeks off, as obviously some stuff comes up, but yeah, the goal is 1 to 2 videos a week.
Yeah, that's the goal. Like
an educational video and then like an entertaining video each week. So without further ado, let's go on with it, guys.
Alright guys, so I'm looking at AUD USD here. Now I'm looking for it to drop, as it's starting to do now. We have taken out this daily high, and we've also taken out this daily high as well. Now it's currently, that's New York time, it's currently 8:40 here in the UK. Now we have these nice equal lows in here. It could probably drop more than that, but this will be a safe target, maybe some partials of the trade. But we've taken out obviously these highs, rejected it here. So I think that we could start coming down on AUD USD, could get a nice drop here, target these lows. I'll look for a trade, try and get an entry, and I'll keep you updated. Alright, so I found the trade. Now obviously it hasn't hit the entry just yet. Let me just zoom in here. So if I show you, I'm actually looking at a 4-minute imbalance. So we created this imbalance. Where's my mouse? Here it is. So we created this imbalance in here. I'm just looking for it to trade up and into this imbalance, and then if we get that, I will send out the signal, and obviously the target is these lows, like I said. Stop loss is just above this high. So if we can get this entry, if it shoots up into that imbalance in there, then this will be a trade I will send out into the signals group, and I'll show you all of that as well. But yep, hopefully this works out well, and I'll keep you updated as always. And we are in the trade, as you can see here. Sent it out. So we are in the trade now. So let's leave this alone and let the market do what the market needs to do. Hopefully it goes our way.
So just grabbing some drinks. Lovely day in the UK as we showed you. So just grabbing some bevies.
Can't go on a bit AU.
I got it.
In front of you.
No, fine. Sorted. Let's go.
Sweet. Alright guys, so the trade is about to hit TP. It is currently now, it is 12:30. I believe it was 8:40 when we started recording.
Here we go.
It's gonna hit. Oh come on, it's literally touching it.
It's done.
Yeah, I mean that's hit, right?
It's hit. TP has hit. Let's fucking go, guys. First trade of the week. Beautiful one as well. A 1 to 2.78. So just under a 1 to 3.
Yeah.
So great trade. Good stuff, Jamie. Let's get on to the next one. So we just wanted to take a second out of the video to show you our website and what we have to offer. So we'll start off by showing you the funded account passing service.
She got her hands out, but that don't mean shit.
Okay, so here's the page where you get a funded account from us. So here are the requirements that are needed to work with us. Then obviously here is what happens if we fail the challenge. You scroll down, here are the details we just need to put in so we can start working together, and obviously tick the agreement once you've read it and purchase. If you'd like to learn from us, then click on mentorship. Okay, so here is the page. If you scroll down, you can see what is included, and if you click on these, it shows you what the modules are for the videos. If you scroll down a bit further, here are the details that you put in. Again, tick the agreement once you've read it and purchase.
So now we're back on the home page. Click packages. This takes you to our recommended packages you can see there, which contains all our stuff. Then build your own. So just press get started now. Then we are on to the section. So you can see everything we have to offer there and information about it. Then you scroll down, fill out your details, and there's what we have to offer. We'll click signals here, for example. Fill out your Discord username, card details, click the agreement, and purchase now.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go over this AUD USD trade that I obviously sent out in the signals group that you guys saw. So obviously what we was looking at on Tuesday was, and I mentioned this in the morning when I was looking for the trade to set up, was looking at Monday's high being taken out, and also last week's Friday high, which obviously left some really nice equal highs in there. So late Monday in the Asian session, coming into London on Tuesday, we rallied up, took out the daily high on Monday and the Friday high, and we breached above that. Now I like to trade from one liquidity pool to another, and this is how where the title of the video comes in, how to find your trading strategy. So for me, finding liquidity pools and trading from one area to another area, that's easy for me. So it's easy for me to see, whereas maybe for you guys that may not be so easy. Something else might be easier for you to see, whether it might be an imbalance, or it may be just a retracement, a Fibonacci retracement, whatever it may be that is clear for you to see. That's kind of how you can kind of determine what your trading strategy can be based around. So for me, it is trading from one liquidity area to another. So when we took out this liquidity area up here, the buy side liquidity, we came up. Now I'm not instantly thinking sell, because I need confirmation that it actually wants to drop. It could just take out these highs and keep rallying, right? So I'm waiting for more information that it wants to come down. And obviously I already had these lows. These lows were really nice. And again, like I say, this is the sort of thing that for me is easier to see, which is why it's mainly what I base my trades around. You can see we came down after taking out the high. Didn't really give too much, and then we retraced up. And then this is what I was looking for, this big down candle in here. When we got that breakdown in there, that was very clear to me that we were gonna drop. Now obviously it's not guaranteed, right? It's not 100%, but it's like that clear indication that we're gonna go down. Now I mentioned also when we was recording, I was looking at this imbalance, and as it punched up into that, I quickly got the sell trade on. Stop loss just above this high. Now the logic behind this high is obviously if we've taken out the highs, Monday's high and last week's Friday high, we took that liquidity out with this high here. So this high has taken out liquidity, so it's done its job. We don't need to come up and take this high out again. If we do that and we take out this high, the chances are I'm wrong and it's not gonna start coming down. So that's a logical area to put your stop loss. And then obviously you can see we do go into a little bit of drawdown. It overshot the imbalance quite a bit, but the trade was still safe. It was still not close to our stop loss, and then we started to break down, and eventually we made our way down to take profit. So that is the trade, and it kind of maybe it's giving you a little bit more insight in how you can kind of determine how to find your trading strategy, what is easy for you to see on the charts, what isn't so easy, and you just kind of play around with it. Have a look at the charts and just see what jumps out at you, what is really easy for you to notice, and you can kind of work your way around that and try and find a strategy around that. But that is the breakdown for AUD USD. Alright guys, so me and Ollie, we're just chilling, some berries and the dog. So we're looking at the US 500 S&P. We have taken out where's the mark here? So we've taken out these highs in here on the manipulation at 230. We have these nice equal lows down in here. If we go onto a 5-minute chart, you can see again, obviously we come up, took out them highs, broke down, created an imbalance. We've traded up into the imbalance. Ollie's just drawing that on from his phone. And yeah, we're going to look to see. We're still punching up right now. Let me just, there's a hair on the screen. And we're going to try and get a sell out for this. So we are looking for a sell. We're going to try and look for an entry. We're thinking about getting in here, and we'll see how this goes.
Right, we've just sent the trade out. I've just sent in the group. Look, we've got a US 500 sell, so S&P, for anyone who don't know. Just sent out to our clients, and it is dropping beautiful. It's a 1 to 2.4. We probably could have made it. I could have easily had it as a 1 to 3, but we're just playing it safe. It's always better to have a bit wider stop loss.
Yeah.
Take a.
You'd rather be in the game than out the game.
Exactly, right? Just for a few more, like not even a whole percent. But yeah, so it's looking clean. Played off his 5-minute imbalance here, and we're looking for these lows down here, pretty much equal lows. So that's looking really nice right now. Literally just sent out, and it is tanking straight away. So we'll keep you guys updated. Right, currently trades came back into a loss. We're negative right now. Hopefully nothing to worry about right now. Just took out this high, came into this area. Hopefully we see it drop from here. But we was looking, I'm on a minute, 1 second, let me go on 5. Look, as you can see, we was straight away, so we sent looking perfect when we showed you. But then one massive bullish candle, so confidence is getting a little bit right now, worrying, but we're still confident on the trade. Target looks nice. Everything is saying down, so just a waiting game now. Nothing we can do. Just let the market do its thing. Still positive day, even if it's a loss. So that's all that matters. So unfortunately, stop loss hit, guys, for that trade we sent out. I don't know. Stop loss, we could have had it a bit higher, but we'll see if it goes from now. But yeah, that's not bad. Again, still up for the day. What are we up? 1.78%,
yeah,
to be exact. Yeah. So just under 1.8% for the day. So it's still a nice profitable day. If you want a funded account, that's pretty much, let's just make it easy maths. So if you want a 100k account, you're still at 1.8k for the day. So it's really not bad at all. That's why you got to manage your risk, guys. Like some people could be going all in every trade, and they'd end up being down for the day from this trade. But obviously we've done flips in the past, so that is for that reason though. We're going crazy risk. But in this case, when you're trading normally, that is what you want to be doing. 1%, 2% risk maybe max, but yeah, ideally 1%. But yeah, we'll keep you updated. Hopefully have a next trade. Should probably be tomorrow now, as it's getting late in the day here. So, but we'll keep you updated.
Alright guys, so on USD CAD on the 15-minute time frame. Now, we do have these really nice equal lows in here. Now, originally what I was looking for is taking out this high in here and then dropping. But if you see, if I go onto the 5-minute chart, you can see once we took out this high, we just started consolidating. So there was no real confirmation for a trade there. And as you can see, we started to go up. Now, we have taken out these highs now. So what I was maybe expecting is I would take out these highs and drop, which it looks like we're probably going to do. Or I was thinking keep rallying up, take out the previous day's high, and then get it short. Now, that would have been the ideal one if it would have come up, taken out this high, and then we could have got a trade down to these lows. That would have been a really nice one, but it doesn't look like we're going to get that. It just looks like these highs in here will be the ones that get taken out, and you can see we are breaking down quite quickly and quite aggressively, which is a good sign for a short, obviously. So we're going to try and get an entry on this. The stop loss will have to be above this high here. Depends what entries. Obviously the take profit is down here. Stop loss will be pretty just above this high actually, and then we'll see what the entry is. But it should be a decent trade. Yeah, if we get the entry, I'll show you. We'll send it out into the group, and you'll see all of that. Alright guys, so we sent out a USD CAD sell trade, as you can see on the laptop. Here it is. We managed to get the entry, and it's at break even right now, but people are in the trade, and hopefully we can get a drop on this.
So we're off to breakfast now, so going to get some Greggs today, and then crack on with the day. Should be another good day today. We'll keep you updated as usual, especially with this trade. So let's see how it does. So got the Greggs, guys. Got our breakfast. So we'll update you on the trade in a minute also, what it's doing.
Alright guys, so stop loss did in fact hit for that USD CAD trade. Now we are gunning for that yesterday's high, like I said about earlier. I said that would have been the ideal one, and now it's doing it. So maybe another trade, but I'm a little bit more reluctant to send that out right now. I'd have to have a lot more confirmation before I do that. But yeah, stop loss was hit, and now we've gone for yesterday's high. So oh well.
So guys, we're at golf now. Me and Jamie made a bet, 100 quid closest to the pin on a par 3, as you can see over there. So 100 quid. Let's go.
Let's do it. Let's see who wins this shit.
See how we go.
What is that first? Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh,
Wait,
sure.
did it roll down?
No, it didn't go up.
Oh, I think you've won.
Go for it. Jamie's shot. Alright, I think I'll take the win there, guys. Good put chance.
Well done, mate.
Sweet. Right, so we got a trade now. Setting up, literally about to hit to entry, what I'm about to send out. Last one was a loss, but we're now looking for a 1 to 3.4. It's on Dow Jones or US 30, whatever you want to call it, guys. And it's taken out these lows here. I'm looking for it to come into here, which it will be at the entry, and then take out these highs up here. So we'll go over further depth if it hits, but right now, let me get this sent out.
Alright guys, AUD USD, we're in the New York session. It's currently 114 here in the UK. So we're looking for a buy. We've just taken out the swing low here. We rallied up. Now we're retracing down. So I'm going to quickly stop filming and we're going to get in a buy real quick, and I'll keep you updated on that trade. Alright guys, so the news just come out for 130 and it rallied up. We're coming back down now. We're up $1,000. What? Holy shit, that was a crazy news. Fuck me, I'll keep you updated on this trade, but that was mad. Alright guys, so AUD USD is pumping nicely. Now, if I get this tool here and I draw out this line, we have equal highs. It created kind of equal highs. So when it rallied up on the news release, it created equal highs. So I'm going to set a take profit just at that high, maybe just a little bit below it for spreads, and I'll try and film it hitting. I'm literally staring at this now, and so we're up about 1,800 right now. So the client on the funded account will be very happy. Alright guys, so I've set the TP. I've made the stop loss up as well, just in case. But I've done it just below the highs because sometimes the spread obviously doesn't quite fully fit it. But we're very close to TP now. We are up 1,700. So the client will be very happy with this trade on his funded account. But yeah. Okay, I'm just going to start recording because it may play around. But I'll try and catch it on video if I can. And it's not going to do it, no. Okay, so I'll give it a second and I'll come back to you. Alright guys, so we've come back up. We did have a drop. If I go on like the 15-minute, or it will see on the 5. We did have that drop down. But that's obviously manipulation from the news. We're still confident it was going to go up just because them equal highs. If I show you on the hour, I showed you before. I moved the TP down just a little bit more, but them equal highs, they were too obvious, too clean. So we stayed confident in the trade. We're pushing up now. Alright guys, I'm going to close out just because it's messing around. Bang, bang. Boom. Alright, we closed out just because it was starting to drop and we just don't have the patience for this trade. It's already good profit. Nearly 2% secured on this guy's account, so he should be happy with that. And 1.5%. And yeah, good trade. So AUD USD has rallied through them highs now. As you can see, I've got on a 5-minute. We created them equal highs. We did come down. So we had to suffer all of this drawdown in here. And then I closed out over here just to be safe. But we did, in fact, hit the intended target, which is very nice to see. Even though I closed out the trade, it's always nice to see if your target does end up getting met, which it did. And yeah, brilliant end to the week. It's Friday now, so very happy. We may have one more trade this week, today maybe, but if we do, we'll let you know. But we're looking at the markets, not too much going on, but we do have 3 p.m. news for the dollar, so that may set something up. We'll have a look at that.
Well guys, thought you'd show you a chart on here because MT5 is better for that than C Trader, which I have currently just placed a trade on. Just a little small one right now. 5 lots on gold, and you can see it says demo, but it is a funded account, guys. No, nothing to hide there. It's funded account. Sorry, challenge that is hidden, but yeah, it's going beautiful right now, as you can see. Entry was up here in that imbalance right there when it was traced into it, and now we're tanking nicely. We're looking for, I'm on the 1 minute right now, just watching closely what's happening. But target is there, that low there. I am actually going to put stop loss to most likely to break even or slight profit for news at 3. And maybe I'll see how I feel and leave that target off because I am confident on it pushing down. So we can see it push a bit further maybe because it is hammering down right now, actually. It's nearly up 1%. So yeah, great trade, and I'll keep you updated. As you can see, me and Jamie are inside today because it's actually a much cooler day in the UK today, guys. As you can see, the entry was there, perfectly in that imbalance. Target's hit, if you guys want to know. That is about 60 pips. So, beautiful stuff. As you can see, closed out on here. I will show you. The client did close out themselves a bit early, so just under 1%, which is quite frustrating. But it's their account at the end of the day. But yeah, we'd recommend not doing that if you guys pay for us to pass it. But yeah, obviously you can do that, but it's just you're leaving money on the table. It could have been taken. As you can see, it's still hammering down. But without further ado, great trade for the end of the week.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the trading week. Now we had a strong end to the week and we are up overall. So that is really good news. Obviously trading, you have losses sometimes. We had a few losses in this video, as you can see, but we're open. We let you guys see all of it.
Nothing to hide.
You know, it's been a strong week. We had a really good trade today on AUD USD and on gold, both on 2 people's funded accounts as well.
Yep, like Jamie said, on the funded accounts, what we pass for people. As I said before, description, go to our website if you want one doing. But yeah, great end to the week, guys. We're back. We actually are this time. We said it last time, but we are back this time. So make sure you subscribe and turn notifications on. But as you guys know, you should be able to pick it up if you've been here for a long time. It's every Friday. But then turn on notifications because we are going to start filming other videos in some weeks, like an education one, which will probably be on like a Wednesday most likely. Tuesday, Wednesday.
Whenever we get one out, really,
but yeah, make sure let's try hit 1k likes as well in this video for the first one back. And we're so close to 50k subs, guys, so massive thanks for that.
Get us there, come on.
But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I've been Ollie.
I've been Jamie.
And we'll see you next one. Peace.
Fly you out degrees. Baby, come with me and you'll get everything you need. We can hit the strip club, throw some money on my ex, bitch. Never switch up, I ain't worried about the next bitch. Skipping, I can tell. Where you holding